Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to add marker and its label so we can add value to our project file. First of all, go at start of your composition and use asterisk key on keyboard to add marker. After adding marker, double click on it to open label tab. We can add label here and select different color for different labels. Going to add one more marker, same process, but now add one more thing. Just select this checkbox. Now we get whole area colored, and we can adjust the length of marker. So this is how you can add marker and labels. It is very useful for transactions. We can make perfect project file of our client. Labels make easy to understand. So hope you like this tutorial. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We are very close to 16K subscribers. Show some love, and use this marker tricks to make your project clean and impressive.